Good morning all. Chance to get the drone out. Just taking a look out the back here. Sun should be coming up hopefully in the next half an hour. Check the bike over, make sure everything's alright. Sound of the cockerels. Bike's fucking amazing. Let's see if we can get to that little viewpoint on the back. Because we're coming late last night, we never had a chance to go and have a walk around the gardens of this place, but it looks pretty impressive. Little bridges going over the river. This place here. Kevo's still in bed, look. I was watching TV. Fucking loves it, man. I'm glad he's come on this little journey. He's enjoyed himself. Well, and I've enjoyed his company. Even though he's a whinging little shit. Wow, this is alright, isn't it? Look at that. How about that for a view? Oh, you what? There's the sun just coming up behind me. It's going to be another cracking day on our way to Panfang. Refuel first. What do you got? Problem.
Yes.
The belt's gone on the PCX.
Yeah, I opened the side casing and there's nothing left of the belt. The belt, nothing. Yeah. Yeah, that's correct.
Now Keb's just trying to explain to Pete, what they call it, Pop's motorcycle, that the belt snapped, but she's saying try the gasoline. Make sure you've got enough gasoline.
No, Tilak, look, where are we?
Salawan Forest National Park.
We're in Salawan Forest National Park. No, we just leave this morning. And
20 minutes on the phone trying to explain what's going on, and she's telling us, check the gasoline.
What's the last place you were at?
Sorry, I know. Sorry, Could you have Thai person? Someone pass you. Why? If it around with your area, if you have someone Thai person, even though you drive motorbike or something like that.
Tell her, I'll add her.
And call me back again.
Tilak,
I would like
Tilak,
to know all
Add you to line.
Do you have line? Yeah.
This is unbelievable. Been about an hour. We've took the casing off ourselves. We've sussed the root cause. The belt is disintegrating, pulling Kev's fat ass up these hills. But she's still not having it. That it's not gasoline. So we're trying to tell her now exactly where we are. Which is proven to be a problem, given our location.
It's broken there.
ครับไม่ลาบ
Run over.
ใช่ไหมคะ TCX 934เนาะ
ครับ
ใช่ไหมคะ
ใช่ลาบ
The belt's broken, right? Quite the belt, the belt broken. Wait. That's on here. Kaput.
ใช้ไฟ
Fucking hang on, I'll ram it up your hole.
ใช่อันนี้เดี๋ยวน้อง
Someone's getting really stressed out.
ไม่ลาบ
โอเคเอาแล้วอยู่ตรงไหนคะอยู่แถวไหนบริเวณไหนนะคิดว่า
So, you know, poor little Thai lad, we just pulled him over there and just asked him to speak to the lady and just to confirm our location because we were getting nowhere there. Yeah, fingers crossed we try and get this sorted because it's starting to get warm. The sun is on my back now and it's hot. Watch this. Hey Kev, what's happened?
It's fucked. I don't know where any of the bolts go.
No, this is the update that we've just had there. After going to and from with the fucking woman in, what was it, Pops? Pops, is it? Kev, yeah, Pops. She's finally got our location. The young man explained where we are. Now they're going to send somebody here, try and fix it within the next hour. We're going to just put everything back together and fingers crossed.
That's it, Connor. We'll put that other bit on, aye.
Yeah, we'll put that other bit on, Kev.
Let's see what we've got here. 1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, yeah. Hopefully Pop doesn't see this then, eh? All we're doing, we're putting the bike back together so there's no comebacks. But we all know the belt's gone. And we're just showing that the remnants of the belt. And it has just disintegrated. Get that back in nice and I'll do all the big jobs, Kev.
Fucking, all you've done is fucking video me.
Because you're a good laugh, man, when you're fucking agitated and stressed, aren't you?
Fucking sweat's pouring out.
Sort your ass out and all your fucking asses hanging out all the little times will happen.
Just have a little
It's going to be simple. Can't find the garage to fix it, so we've got to find our own way. Whew. And his garage tour is now 62 miles away. What a disaster. Town, try and find a belt for the bike. You're not going to believe this. We're back at the restaurant that we were in last night, and this is the place that they do it. They're going to fix it. All right, Kev. The Castro bike point. Cup and cap, thank you. These guys are going to fix that, no problem. No messing about here, man. Cup.
Thank you.
Come on then, come on then. We'll grab some food. Okay, the bike is finally fixed. There it is. That was it whizzing up the street. We're on our way to do MTN now. 3 hours late. parked our bikes all the way down there because we got told to. No parking up here no more. And there, them two are the only relics of temples. I forgot how you pronounce it, Napa Met temples. 1, 2. How are you feeling, Kev? Are you doing exercises, son? Good lads. We've got it in now, 3:15. Not even at the summit yet. We'll have a little look at this place and we'll disappear to the air summit. God, tourists are back. Instead of using the escalators to get to the top, as per usual, Kevin has decided we're going up this way. I'm fully clad in my off-road stuff. Nice one, Kev. I'm drifting to the side. This is definitely the face of a biker, an unfit one. These escalators there, Kev. I told you that, but you just wouldn't listen. Oh my God.
What's happened to your microphone? Where's your microphone?
It fell off, Kev. But there you go. That's the mountain ranges we have just come across together here. In the background, Chiang Mai. Beautiful, beautiful little place. Me and Kevin are just discussing the hairpins getting up here. On the big bike, the big Tenere, it was just gear down, gear up, gear down, brake, gear up. The little scooter made it, no problem. But even that was struggling, man. Some of that was steep. But all worth it, innit? Well recommended you come to Chiang Mai. So I'd say that's most of the loop done. We're 2 hours away from Chiang Mai. Probably find another little hotel again tonight. No camping. I'll do the camping when I'm going back home to Ubon Ratchathani. Kev's got to get a plane back to Bangkok. But the sun is just appearing, and in the background there you can see Chiang Mai. But how nice is this here?
Oh.
How nice is this, Kev?
Oh, how lovely.
Kevin, have you enjoyed yourself?
Oh.
Apart from the little mishap this morning.
Well, that's not my fault. Bike broke, didn't it?
It's not your fault, but if you'd listened to me and got a bigger bike, you'd have been alright, wouldn't you?
I wouldn't be this colour, would I?
No, you wouldn't. He doesn't listen, does he? Slow, man. There he is. Where's our Trevor? God love him. Hey Neil, if you're watching this, it's a hell of a lot warmer than the last time we come up. Remember when we were freezing cold? Woo! Definitely something wrong with Kev's bike. Can't even make it up here now. Way back there. City scooters, man. They're not made for the loop. You can't educate poor. Here with the back of that cold spell. Well, pair of us have made it to the summit. Bikes have done great apart from the little hiccup this morning with the PCX. That's the observatory, Thai observatory, Jainfian. But the bike looks well. The Yamaha that is some bike, that, honest. Never faltered once, not once. Pulled my fat ass all the way around Thailand, all around Northern Thailand. What a bike! I keep on saying it. What a bike! Look at it. Beautiful. Right. How are you, little legs? I'm going to take you around there. Round the summit. It's good to stretch your legs, like. Here it is. There you go, folks. It took an Englishman, Mr. James F. McCarthy, to measure the highest point in Thailand. Yeah, Mr. James F. McCarthy, an Englishman appointed first director of the Royal Thai Survey Department, announced Doi Inthian at a height of 8,450 feet. That's a biggie. Do you know, Kev, it's the only time you haven't whinged. But you're still on that fucking phone, aren't you?
Well, you're on your phone.
Is that you getting wound up again, Kevo? Keep off that phone.
You're off your fucking
And there we have it, people. That is how cold it is. And that's how windy it is. What, you got your long johns on, Kev?
I haven't got nothing.
It's warm for me up here, but look, this poor lady, she's doing the barbecue there. The barbecue, banana, and what is that, lady?
Potato.
Oh, potato. Potatoes. And she's well wrapped up on the barbecue, getting nice and warm. I don't blame you.
Sweet potato.
Sweet potatoes, eh? If I was hungry, I'd have some of them, but we're just eating. Shows you how cold the Thais get, doesn't it? How cold it is up here. 8 degrees. Oh, it's a cold one, that, people. Anyway, I think we're going to call that a wrap. Going to make our way to an hotel. You don't want to see that bullshit, because we're going to have a good drink tonight, have something to eat, because we deserve it. By the time we get back to Chiang Mai, that is the Mae Hong Son Loop with a detour to Chiang Rai complete. What I'll do, I'll make a further video on myself. What places we visited, what we like the best roads, and total distance we travelled, and expenses. Okay, people, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll be seeing you later. Oh, me Kev.
We'll see you all later.
See you all later. Yeah. He loved that, didn't he?